हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू प्राइस यूजू यूट्यूब चैनल। दोस्तों, हम इस वीडियो में कवर करेंगे एमसीक्यूज, जो कि है आपका जो टॉपिक है मेटल्स एंड नॉन मेटल्स, जो है क्लास 10 के साइंस में। इसके ऊपर के एमसीक्यूज हम देखते हैं। ये एमसीक्यूज आपको सीईटी एग्जाम्स के लिए काम आएंगे, एनटीएससी के लिए काम आएंगे, इवन आपके अगर स्कूल्स में कुछ ऑब्जेक्टिव एग्जाम्स कंडक्ट कर रहे हैं फॉर इंटरनल इवेल्युएशन पर्पज, तो उसके लिए तो बहुत ही तो बेनिफिशियल है। और साथ ही साथ आपके आईआईटी जेई एग्जाम्स के फाउंडेशन के लिए भी उपयुक्त। तो दोस्तों, ये जो भी एमसीक्यूज हम आपके सामने प्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं, ये सारे के सारे स्टूडेंट्स के डिमांड पे एमसीक्यूज और उनके सिर्फ आंसर्स उन्हें पता है, जो कि उनको एमसीक्यूज बैंक की तरह होना है। ओके, अगर उसका रीजनिंग या तो उसका कुछ एग्जैक्टली बिहाइंड द आंसर्स डिटेल चाहिए आपको, तो आप प्लीज आपके टेक्स्ट बुक्स में जो भी रिस्पेक्टिव आर्टिकल्स है वो आप पढ़िएगा। ओके, तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 से। द क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है, एबिलिटी ऑफ मेटल टू बी beaten into a sheet is called malleability. Option number 2 is the correct. The ability of metal to be drawn into a thin wire is called ductility. Option number 1 is the correct. The transfer of heat from the hot end to the cold end of a body, such as rod of material, is called dash dash of heat. So, option number 3, conduction. The transfer of electric charge through a material due to an electric field is called conduction of dash dash. Option number 2, electricity is the correct one. The compounds formed by the transfer of electrons from a metal to the non-metal is known as dash dash compounds. So option number 2, ionic. The bond formed between two combining atoms by sharing of one or more pairs of electrons is called dash dash. Covalent bonds. Option number 1 is the correct one. The process used for extraction of metals in their pure form, their ores, is called metallurgy. Option number 4 is the correct one. The metals that produce a sound on striking a hard surface are said to be sonorous. So option number 2 is the correct one. Next question. The naturally occurring compounds of metals along with other impurities are known as minerals. Option number 2. The minerals from which metals are extracted profitably and conveniently are ores. Option number 4. Ores contains metal compounds with some of their impurities like soil, sand, etc. These impurities are called gangue. Option number 1. So find out odd man out: boron, chlorine, bromine, fluorine. So boron. Option number 2 is the correct one. Dash dash is a metal. Option number 1, Mg. Dash dash is a non-metal. Option number 1 is Au. Dash dash is a good conductor of electricity. So answer is the graphite. Option number 3. The process in which carbonate ores are changed into oxides by heating strongly in limited air is known as calcination. Option number 3. The bronze is an alloy of copper and tin. Option number 1 is the correct one. The magnesium chloride is a covalent compound. It's a false statement. Next question is, the surface of some metals such as iron is corroded when they are exposed to moist air for a longer period of time. This phenomenon is known as, option number 3, corrosion. Dash dash do not displace hydrogen from dilute acids. Option number 2, non-metal. Dash dash property of a metal is used for getting it into thin sheet. Metallurgy. Option number 1. Corrosion is a degradation of material due to reaction with its environment. True. Pure gold is known as 24 karat gold. True. The process of coating a thin layer of zinc on iron or steel is called galvanization. Option number 4. Dash dash material is used to coat electrical wires. Option number 2, PVC. Dash dash metal reacts with cold water. Option number 3, sodium. Electrolytic process of depositing one metal, generally a superior metal like silver, nickel, over another metal is called electroplating. Option number 3 is the correct one. Next question. Magnesium has atomic number dash and electronic configuration number. So option number 4, 12 and 2, 8, 2. Option number 4 is the correct one. Which is not a property of metal? So option number 4 is the correct one. Lack of malleability and ductility. Which is not a property of non-metal? So high melting and boiling points. Option number 3 is the correct one. Iodine and dash are the two non-metals having typical metallic luster. So option number 3, diamond. Dash dash is the hardest substance, highest melting and boiling points. So option number 3, diamond. Brass is an alloy of copper and zinc. Option number 2. An alloy prepared from iron, nickel and chromium is known as stainless steel. Option number 3. Jewelry articles are gold plated to prevent corrosion, to prevent rusting of the base metal, to make articles attractive. Yes. So option number 4, all of these correct. So option number 4 is the correct one for this answer. ओके दोस्तों, तो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में नेक्स्ट टॉपिक के साथ, उसके सारे के सारे एमसीक्यू लेके। तब तक के लिए बाय।